Boom! I'm back in the old Heale Manor toy shed. We're here today again with the old BSA D7 Bantam Project. What the plan today is, well, some of you observant types out there might have noticed that there's a few more bits missing off the bike from the last time, and you'll be correct. I've taken the tank off, I've taken the seat off, I've taken the exhaust off, I've taken the cover off of that side, and I've taken a couple of covers off of this side. Now, the idea being is I'm waiting for some parts to turn up. I can't do an awful lot until they turn up. So what I thought I'd do is I'll get on with some cleaning and some fettling and some polishing. The front wheel is a little bit too far gone to be able to save. The rear wheel is in pretty much the same sort of state. What I plan to do there is to get them re-chromed and re-spoked, so they're all properly up to speed. I'm waiting to find out, or I'm waiting to go and pick up the electronic ignition, and then I'll be doing that as a project, and you'll be able to see me run through that. But in the meantime, a mate has loaned me a compression kit. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to test the compression on the cylinder, see what sort of pressure we've got. So to do that, I need to take out the spark plug. So there's a plug. If you have a look at that, it doesn't look as though it's had an awful lot of grief. So what I'm planning on doing there, and then I'm going to test the compression. Now if the compression's pretty good, what I might just do is just leave it leave it alone. Just give it a bit more, just give it another go. Just make sure that's tightened down a fraction more. One more go. Oop. Didn't need that falling off of there, did we? Whoa, that's gone up quite a bit. That's gone up to about 55 pounds per square inch. So I think, so therefore I am, the compression's pretty good. Now all I've got to do is take the bugger off. So there you go. If you have a look at that, that's what we're reading. We are reading around about 55, 60 pounds per square inch. And I think that's pretty good compression when all's said and done. And thank him for the use of it, because that was a really useful exercise. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the head. Leave well alone. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now this week, back end of the week, Friday, I'm going off to the Adventure Bike Riders Festival up at Ragley Hall in Warwickshire, and we're taking a big beast. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to do some videoing up there. I'll see how I'll get on, see what content we can put up for next week. And I might even try, keep fingers crossed, maybe try and doing a live stream from there. So until the next one, TTFN, ta-ta for now.